Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back on behalf of the Power Lead system. Just wanted to come back with an update for you guys. As you can see, I am on one of the Power Lead system's web pages. This is one of numerous pages that they have, sales pages. This particular page here explains the business, but it is a marketing system, an all-in-one platform that you can use to market any business, whether it's online or offline. And it just happens to have an income stream attached with it, a residual income stream in which you can earn commission, weekly commissions for bringing people into the business. Okay, I'm going to flip over here just to show you guys. As you can see here, I'm all in. I'm at the gold level. I purchased the diamond level, which is a one-time 147 bucks, and you can make $100 commissions here. And the Social Profits Academy, and these are all training courses, guys. This is actual training. You're receiving a product, you're purchasing a product. Okay. Social Profit Academy is a one-time $497, and you earn $400 commissions there. And with the gold level, you earn $20 residual commissions here. So these are one time. The diamond and the platinum, you pay that purchase price one time, and you receive unlimited commissions for 100 and 400 bucks. Okay, so you definitely want to go all in. Okay, so I showed you earlier one of the pages that we have here that explains everything. You get a free trial, guys, so you can test this thing out. 7 days right here. Click here. I'll put my link below for that. As you can see, all the capture pages that you get with this, as well as training. What I like about one of the main things that I like about the Power Lead system is the training. They give you live training every Thursday, and they do a Wednesday overview for people that's interested in the business opportunity. They get to hear a live call. If you missed a live call, you can go back and hear the replay. Okay, so you don't miss out. Okay, so basically the company does all the selling and telling. The 24/7 presentation is going to do the selling and telling for you. All you need to do is get people into your sales funnel, and we show you how to do that. All right. So, as we go along here, you can see that here's the comp plan. It explains that very clear. It's not complicated. I like that. Now, this is the product, Social Profit Academy. This is the product you want to purchase. You want to go all in, and you get here, and you make these $400 commissions. Okay, so it definitely pays to go all in, because if you don't, the sales will get passed up. Okay, if you become a gold member and you don't go all in, those sales will get passed up. Okay, so you don't want that to happen to you. Alright, so it's definitely worth it, and we have all the training you need to get started with the groups. There's the official Power Lead stuff. Let's see. Okay, looks like I'm having a delay in my my screen here with the internet, so I don't know what part it cut off on, but I was actually explaining to you, you definitely want this product right here, the Social Profit Academy. This is where you earn your higher commissions. Okay, and with this level, you don't have any pass-ups. Okay. Now, with this level, you will also receive overrides for your teammates if they join this and they sign up members for this particular product. Every time they sign up someone, you make $50 overrides. Okay, so I love that about the program. You get overrides as well. So definitely jump in, get Social Profit Academy. Now, what I want to show you real quick today is payday, and Why stuff? Okay, here we go. Right. So I've got a delay. I'm not sure what happened here, but definitely get in this program and purchase the Social Profit Academy. Go all in so that you can make these $400 commissions. Okay. With that being said, today is payday, and I want to kind of show you what I received. I received an email from the company. Let me show you. This is what it looks like right here. Okay, today is for $425 was deposited in my Paylution account. Okay, and my Paylution account is the company's debit card. Let me show you. Okay, can you see that? Okay, you see my name there, right? It's a Visa, right, for Paylution. Okay, so I chose to receive the Paylution card, and they deposited that amount onto my debit card, and that's for today. So the system works, guys. You just need to get in, get started. Okay, go all in, get this product here, become a gold member and become platinum, and you're all in, and you can receive these $400 commissions as well. Okay, now if I go back over here, here's just some emails that I received as well. Hold on one second. Okay, and this is just an email I have set up just for Power Lead System. So as you can see, gold member, diamond. So leads are coming in constantly. We show you how to get these leads. Okay. And remember, you can also market to these people anything, any business that you have. Okay. These are your leads. Okay. So it's a great way to build your list. You can promote your primary business. Okay. Or like me, I'm pretty much promoting Power Lead System, but I have a product on the back end that I'm promoting. But when I send traffic here, I'm pushing the traffic to the Power Lead System capture page. Okay. So I'm going to put the link below, guys. You want to get this so you can get this card and make those commissions. Okay. We'll put my link below. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Get involved with. It's online. All you're going to need to do is send traffic here and let the system do all the selling and telling for you. And they train your people as well. So you can't beat that, guys. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Click that button below and subscribe. And like the video. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And hopefully on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.